Hi, I'm Darren Darling, Company Director here at Energy Tuning. I started off in the industry in 1990, eventually working my way up to running my own workshop, carrying out all aspects of servicing and repairs. In 2008, we decided to form Energy Tuning Limited so that we could deliver a specialist tuning, engine tuning and fault finding service. We're driven to deliver the best possible service. We've also built a great team here with Callum and Lindsay very much at the forefront of the business. They're always here ready to look after you and to go above and beyond for all of our customers. Lindsay has been here since the beginning, as well as running the office. You'll also see her in the workshop under a bonnet with a diagnostics tool in her hand. She's the one that will explain everything to our customers without using any jargon, and is always more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. She's at her happiest when she has a cup of tea in one hand and me out of sight. Callum loves nothing more than tuning cars, fault finding and going on training courses. He's also extended family. He's been part of the fixtures and fittings here since around 2011 when he was a schoolboy, and he spent all of his spare time in the workshop learning as much as he could, and he's been here ever since. He's now grown into a very talented diagnostic technician. When he's not at work, he's always at the gym, using the vending machine and looking in the mirror. He's at his happiest during our traditional Trippy Friday and when I'm out of sight. My own role here has evolved over the years. While you might not always see my face when you visit our workshop, I'm always very much working hard behind the scenes in a training and technical support role. This ensures that we are always ahead of the curve in this fast-paced, constantly changing industry. I'm at my happiest when I get to spend time in my workshop, getting under Callum and Lindsay's feet. You can rest assured that your pride and joy is in safe hands while in our care at Energy Tuning Limited. We'd love to see you here soon.